Hello, this is Anthony Johnson. I'm back in the kitchen again, and today I'm going to cook a New Orleans dish called Yaka Mein. Now, if you don't go to certain neighborhoods, you probably won't know what Yaka Mein is. It is something, it's kind of hard to explain. You know, some people call it old sober, some people call it ghetto food. To me, it's just a real good dish. Now, I will not be using pork or shrimp because one, I gave up beef and pork a couple years ago, and two, my daughters are going to be eating it, and I have one who has shellfish allergies. So I'm going to use chicken. But check it out and tell me what you think. So here it is, a quick meal, takes under 45 minutes, only 20 minutes in the pressure cooker, and then you have that New Orleans Yaka Mein. Like I say, do your research on it. Some people call it old sober because it's sold in barrooms and different places in New Orleans, and some people call it ghetto food. Whatever it is, it tastes delicious and it is good, and it is easy meal prep that any teacher, anybody can do. So check it out. It is very good. Oh, Lord have mercy. If you can taste this, but you're sorry you can't. I went to get a haircut this morning, and I mentioned to my barber what I was going to be cooking, and he told me to bring him a bowl. And that's why I'm here today. I want to share a bowl of Yaka Mein.
Lord, how much?
Is it good, White?
You're not going to sit there and eat that right in front of me,
Jeez. So White ain't going to share, huh?
No, he ain't going to share. He ain't going to do it.
So Japil is upset.
Yeah, he gonna laugh at me. He gonna laugh at me because I wasn't here. Jeez.